Are you having problems with your GO2 Bank app not working and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it quite quickly. So you're just going to actually firstly completely close your GO2 Bank. So close your app. You don't have to log out of your account, just close the app itself, and then instead go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, scroll down in here, and then click on general. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now in here, scroll down a little bit again, and then click on storage, as you can see. So click on storage. Now we're just going to scroll down in here and then find the GO2 Bank app. So as you can see, here it is, the GO2 Bank app. Then click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app in here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. So I did this myself, and I waited this to actually auto update to the latest version. Then I went back into my GO2 Bank and it was working after that. So I think that this issue is maybe some kind of update issue, so that when GO2 Bank releases a new update, then like we have to actually get it before it actually, we can actually use the app itself again. Because if we don't have the latest update, it might not work or have some bugs basically. And if this does not solve the issue for you, well then unfortunately it might be that the GO2 Bank servers are having problems right now, and we need to just wait for them to finish their work, and then hopefully we'll be able to access GO2 Bank once again. But this is basically exactly how to fix this issue.